Welcome back to Wake and Make. I'm Jeffrey Dean, and today we're making peach pit pendants on the lathe. Stick around. And while we're chilling on the bridge real quick, I want to talk about my pendants I made over the weekend. I just kind of wanted to get a little bit of a feel for the peach pits, and I can certainly say that the centers of these do not stabilize. So as you can see, I put a little bit of glow powder and some CA glue in the center and had to pick it out. I run into the same problem on this video and I address it. This one has a deer antler, and turkey tail mushroom on the top, just for texture. I got these two little, the top is elk and the bottom is the peach pits. The elk antler came out really awesome, so I matched the color in the center where I had to pull the seed out with some glow-in-the-dark green powder. It's amazing. You can go check them out on Instagram. I have www.instagram.com/wakeandmakecreations. That's also Etsy, Facebook, and thanks for sticking around on my YouTube. 6th episode, getting there. Loving you guys. Let's get to the shop. Right to the shop. The first thing we're gonna do is true up our mounting block. I do this every time before I start a pendant. The wood dries and shifts. So here I am, taking it back to circle and preparing to mount my pendant blank to the block. I don't want to have to do too much work to the back, so I sanded and cut it down and got it all prepped right where I wanted it, and now I'm gonna double-sided tape and hot glue it to my block.
Water and fire. Ooh, I am like water, flowing love through the sound. I am like fire, blazing truth all around. Johnson, I hear with plenty strength. The lion's blood is in my veins. I'm feeling nice, not on the low. No wicked ones can overthrow. So I'm feeling like I wanna crash down that wall in Babylon upon. So I'm feeling like nobody can vex. Your plan got to overstand. Well, so rejoice in your name in this time. Well, lift your arms to the sky and give thanks and praise to Rastafari. To Rastafari. Oh, I am like water, blowing love through the sound. I am like fire, blazing truth all around. So feel no way, no time to lose. The game is up, the wicked lose. I am a man, and not a pawn.
That has got to go. Just like in the other pendants I made this weekend, the center of the seed did not stabilize. Everything around it, the space between, got filled with resin and nice and hard and beautiful. But that center's got to be picked out and filled. I'm using CA glue and glow powder to fill this particular one. It's on the inside and inevitably it ends up working really well.
Praise to Rastafari. To Rastafari. Oh.
we got our hole all filled up. So I reshaped the hole a little bit, and now I'm just going right into the wet sanding. Gonna finish up this process because we still have to flip it over and do the other side. I'm gonna go all the way back up to 2000. I'm at 220 right now, but you kind of catch the gist. I like to go dry to 220, and then I even go wet with 220, and then I proceed to 320, 400, 600, 1200, 2000.
Ready for the buffing wheel.
There she be. Just gotta string her up and I'll post it on Instagram. Final pictures will be posted there. Thank you for watching Wake and Make. Please come back, join me in my shop, join me on my property anytime. Loving you. Big love to my friends in YAHN I Orchestra out of Philadelphia for letting me use your music. So much love and respect to you guys. Peace.